Our first time trying out a sourdough star pastry. So first you gotta stretch out the dough. I've measured all of these out. These are about 270 grams each. Stretch it out over a plate. And then I'm gonna put some of this good stuff on it. Yeah. All right, so now that I spread it out over a plate, now I'm gonna see if I could take it off the plate, put it on this parchment paper. Got it covered in flour. Take this rolling pin. Flatten this a little bit more. Cover up any little holes. Catch up any holes just so the Nutella does not leak out. Okay, one layer is complete. Now for some Nutella. All right, so now I'm gonna spread some Nutella. All right, now that I have that Nutella spread on it completely, my first layer, now I'm going to take my second layer, put it all over top of it as best as I can without ripping the dough. If it rips, that's okay, but the goal is to not let it rip as much. Okay, now put on the third layer. Literally like a pizza, just roll it up and spread it out. I realize using a butter knife is better than one of those little cake spreaders. So just put up some Nutella. Spread, spread, spread. As thinly as possible, but everywhere. You could also do this with like cinnamon and cheese, whatever your heart desires. Caramel, caramel for those that like caramel or caramel. Anyway, I'm doing Nutella. Or you could always do hazelnut spread, whatever you got. I'm just using this. One that gets Nutella. The next one is just a topper, and then you shape it. Make sure every ounce is covered in some Nutella. So this is what I do to make it fit over the plate. Kind of try to thin it out as best as I can, like a pizza dough. And try to get it to spread over the plate. So I can stretch out its elasticity and I guess gluten in the dough. Because this ain't no gluten-free, this is gluten-full. And has butter in it. Butter, butter, butter. Now it's wide enough, round enough, and now I'm going to put this over top. This is going to be the top layer. Okay, like so. That looks beautiful. Now I need to flatten it out and piece out all the openings. All right, now that I have it all filled, all the layers, I'm going to put a little flour on top. I'm going to try to thin it out as best as I can. A labor of love. You need to get a pizza pan like that. You can do this. Place a small jar in the middle. Cut. Okay, now that we have 4 pieces, now I gotta make it into 8. And from 8, we go into 16. Okay, right, so that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 16 pieces. Okay, now we shape our star. Voila! I'm a sourdough star pastry. Isn't it beautiful? All right, now I'm gonna make an egg wash. Beat it, beat it, beat the egg, oh beat it, beat it, beat it. What I'm gonna do is just brush this egg wash all over. So it has a nice golden color. And actually, if this kind of gets undone, egg is like literally glue, and you can glue it together. Star Nutella, sourdough Nutella star pastry. A little powdered sugar never hurt nobody. Taste test. It's so good. Yum, yum. It's very airy. It's a brioche type of bun, and it's not too sweet. I love this kind of sweet treat. It's minimally sweet, but very soft and very fluffy. If you're in your sourdough era like I am, make this. It's so delicious.